Hello guys, good morning and welcome to Quintong Kipoy's vlog. Welcome to Buhay Canada. Ito ang panibagong vlog na naman tayo mga guys sa Quintong Kipoy's. Meron ako ditong bisitang dalawa, so introduce yourself.
My name's Connor. My name is the BBC.
Quintong Kipoy's vlog.
Welcome to Twin Tong
Kipoy's vlog.
Quin Tong's vlog.
Followers natin, yung ibang lahi guys. Where are you from?
I'm from Uranus.
Uranus. And how old are you?
21.
And how about you?
I'm native, so I don't exactly know where I'm from. But I was born in Canada.
Okay. So say
I'm
hi.
35.
Okay. Say hi.
Hi.
That's my bike. That's my
Can I try
bike.
it?
Yeah, can I try it? Of course.
I could try.
Yeah, of course.
Wait, for real?
Hi, it's you can press. You can press the medium, low, and the high. You can press this medium.
Okay. Can I try after him?
Yeah.
I've never tried. This is how to go.
Yeah.
It's kind
you
of
can
like
push
an
it.
electric scooter, I think, because we have one. I think it's just like
You have also that one, something
yeah,
like that.
we have an electric scooter.
But expensive, huh?
Yeah, they're really expensive.
Yeah, expensive. But it's depend on the brand. It's depend.
We got a Razor.
You don't have school now?
No, there's no school for us today. It's the weekend.
That's bababait naman sila dito mga guys.
That's cool.
They're so kind of new friend.
How much dollars?
$730 for Amazon.
$30?
$730.
Wow.
You see guys?
This is actually really comfortable, huh?
Yeah, it's comfortable, right? The way I'm Philip. Follow to my YouTube channel page. My name is Philip. Nice to meet you, brother.
You have $10. Nice to meet you.
Take care.
I really want to ride it again. Can I have your bike? Have a good day.
Thank you. See you next time. Dito po ka ngayon tayo sa Fish Creek River. Yan, malapit yan dito sa gilid lang yan ng puno ng mga kakahuyan. Alam nyo guys, pag napapansin nyo, yung puno dito nagkukulay yellow, nagkukulay dilaw. Ang ibig sabihin yan, magpupol na, malapit na yung magparating na winter. Kaya yan ang gusto kong malaman na bakit ganito dito sa Canada yung puno nila. Yung itong tinatawag na before and after. Pagdating naman sa winter, yung puno na to parang patay na. Akala mo lang yun patay na yung puno, pero ibig sabihin yan parang natutulog lang yan sa mantika. Kumbaga mabubuhay din yan pag bumalik uli yung summer. Tara, samahan ko kaya papunta dun sa Fish Creek River. Yan yung Fish Creek River nila. Kaya napansin nyo yung pato dito. Ayun yung mga duck doon, Ayan. Yung duck nila na wild duck yan, hindi yung duck na ordinaryo katulad dyan sa atin. Sa bagay, hindi ko pa naman natikman yung duck nila dito Yung tawag sa atin, gakit yata yan, gakit. Kaya minsan yung mga namimingwit dito, kailangan pag kumuha ng lisensya. Hindi katulad dyan sa atin, ilaglag mo lang yung pamingwit mo dyan sa Pilipinas, diretso na huli ng isda. Diretso mo na iuwi sa bahay. Hindi katulad dito, kumuha ng lisensya. Sa atin kasi iba kaya dito talaga lahat binabayaran talaga guys, kaya hindi basta-basta yung buhay OFW. Kasi nila din sa atin, pag nakarating na ng Canada, mayaman na. Ang hindi nila alam, yung very struggle naman yung buhay dito. Ang dami mong babayaran. Hello guys, dito naman tayo sa vlog natin. We have a new friends now to fishing the river. So introduce yourself, brother.
How's it going?
Introduce yourself.
I'm Dave.
Where are you from?
Born and raised in Calgary.
How old are you?
35.
So what are you going to do?
What am I gonna do? Catch a big fish. Not weeds.
Ganito yung ginagawa namin dito sa Canada pag mabubur kami doon sa bahay. So we're going somewhere and catch the fish to the river. It's depend on you. You're going to the lake. So let's move to our new friends here over there. Go, brother. Hello. Say hi. Introduce yourself, by the way.
My name is Arthur.
Where are you from?
I'm from Ontario, but I live here now.
Okay. What are you going to do, brother?
I'm gonna catch a big fish like I always do.
Okay.
What's your page?
Quintong Pipoy's vlog.
Okay, you gotta maybe write it out for me. 'Cause-
Okay.
yeah.
See you, brother. See you
See
next
ya.
time. Okay. Thank you. Brother, thank you, brother. So, ngayon na nga, brother, no, at pauwi na tayo. Medyo marami-rami na rin tayong nagawa nitong content.